Video, I'm going to teach you how to set manager permissions in QuickBooks Time by assigning the correct role and configuring access options using the current desktop interface. We'll start right in the web app so everything you see matches the desktop experience. First, sign into your QuickBooks Time account on a desktop browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click My Team. This is where you'll manage everyone's access in one place. Find the team member you want to update. If you have a large roster, take a moment to scan carefully so you're adjusting the right person. Next to the team member's name, click the three-dot menu and choose Edit. In the Edit window, switch to the Permissions tab. This is the hub for roles and access controls. Under Role, pick either Primary Admin or Manager, depending on what the person needs to do. Primary Admin is the highest level and is typically reserved for someone who oversees account-wide settings and policies. Manager offers strong oversight without full account control, which is ideal for supervisors, team leads, or project coordinators. A good rule of thumb is to grant the least amount of access needed to do the job effectively. Now review the permissions that come with the role and confirm they match your intent. Account management allows control over account-level settings. Mobile time entry lets the person track time from their phone, which can be essential for field teams. View. Who's working for all team members gives real-time visibility into active shifts, useful for coverage and safety. View, manage, and approve timesheets for all team members ensures the person can correct entries and keep payroll moving. Manage team members and groups lets them organize teams and update profiles. Manage customers and custom fields gives control over job codes and data fields your organization relies on. Scroll to the scheduling options to fine-tune visibility and control. Set view schedule access to their own group or company, depending on whether the person should only see their schedule, their team's, or everyone's. Then set manage schedule access to none, their own group or company to define what they can actually edit. Remember, view and manage are separate on purpose, so you can let someone monitor schedules without giving them full editing power. For projects access, choose Off, View Only, or Create, Edit. Off keeps them out of projects, View Only lets them monitor progress, and Create, Edit is best for project owners who build and maintain tasks. When everything looks right, click Save to apply the manager permissions. Changes take effect right away, so let the team member refresh their browser to see the updates. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.